I needed to change, a fresh start. In a new city. Far from those who pulled the strings, I sought freedom, convinced I'd find it there. But then I realized it's the same everywhere. I refused to accept that any longer. I decided to fight. That was my resolve. But then, I discovered some places are even worse. I knew I had to confront this at its roots.
Dive into an incredible adventure with John Brown, full of thrills and danger. Witness how he rises against the dark power of autocracy and turns the world of Alexis upside down. This epic journey will stay with you long after the credits roll.